Mastering your money transfers with Barclays is simpler than you think, and this guide will show you exactly how to move funds with confidence, whether it's across your accounts or to someone else entirely. First, let's look at transferring funds through your Barclays online banking. Head over to the Barclays website and log in securely using your customer number and memorable word or your card reader once logged in. Navigate to the Payments and Transfers section from there. Select Make a Payment or Transfer. Here, you'll be prompted to choose whether you're paying yourself, an existing saved payee, or a new payee for a new payee. You'll need their sort code and account number. Enter these details carefully next. Select the account you want to transfer from, and then the account you want to transfer to you can also add a reference for the payment. This is helpful for both you and the recipient to identify the transaction. Review all the details one last time to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm. You may be asked to confirm the transaction using your card reader or mobile banking app for added security, and that's it. Your online transfer is initiated. Next up, using the Barclays mobile app, open the app and log in with your usual credentials. Tap on the Pay and Transfer options similar to online banking. You'll see choices to transfer between your own accounts, to a saved payee, or to a new payee. If it's a new payee, input their sort code and account number with precision. Choose the account you're sending from and the one you're sending to add a clear reference. If needed, double-check all the information displayed on the screen for any errors. To finalize, simply tap the Continue or Transfer button. You might need to authorize the payment with your fingerprint, Face ID, or a passcode set up in the app. If you prefer a personal touch or aren't comfortable with digital banking, you can always visit a Barclays branch for transfers to another Barclays account or to an external bank. Speak to a customer service representative. They will guide you through the process, and you'll likely need your account details and potentially some identification. Whether you're managing your own finances or sending money to others, Barclays offers secure and efficient ways to make transfers. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy peace of mind knowing your money is moving safely.